By 1935, Hitler had consolidated his power within Germany, reintroducing conscription and openly defying the military restrictions imposed by the Treaty of Versailles. His foreign policy was becoming more aggressive, laying the groundwork for future expansionist moves. The Klaipėda region, also known as the Memel Territory, was of strategic importance due to its location and port facilities. It had been part of the German Empire before World War I and was separated from Germany under the Treaty of Versailles, eventually being annexed by Lithuania in 1923. The region's German-speaking population made it a focal point for Nazi propaganda aimed at reclaiming lost territories. While specific records of a 1935 speech about Memel may not be readily available, understanding the broader themes of Hitler's rhetoric during that period provides insight into how he might have addressed the issue. The focus would have been on reversing the perceived injustices of the Versailles Treaty, promoting national unity and preparing the German people for future territorial expansion, all of which set the stage for the events leading up to World War II.
Es kann für unser ganzes Verhalten nur eine einzige Richtlinie geben. Unsere große und unerschütterliche Friedensliebe. Mit umso größerer Beunruhigung verfolgt aber das deutsche Volk gerade deshalb die Vorgänge in Litauen. In tiefstem Frieden wurde das Memmelland Jahre nach dem Friedensschluss Deutschland geraubt. Eine große Nation muss dauernd zusehen, wie gegen Recht und vertragliche Bestimmungen Angehörige des Blutes, die man im tiefsten Frieden überfallen und vom Reich weggerissen hat, schlimmer behandelt werden als die normalen Staatenverbrecher. Ihr einziges Verbrechen ist aber nur, dass sie Deutsche sind und Deutsche bleiben wollen.